In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely remove or uninstall Brave browser from Windows 10 or 11. So for it, just go to your Windows search option and right over here setting. Here you can see settings. So we need to click here. Then we'll go to the apps and here you can see install apps. So I'm going to click here and it will show us all the install apps. So here we need to look for Brave browser. So we can just search it over here, Brave, and here you can see it is showing us a Brave browsers. So right now I'm going to click on this three dot, then click on uninstall again, and I'm going to select this yes, also delete your browsing data, then click on uninstall. So Brave is uninstalled from our system. And here you can see there is no Brave browser, but there is still some folders and files left in our system. So for it, we need to go to our folder, then we'll go to our local disk C, then we need to go to the users folder over here. You can see users. So we'll go inside and you will see one more user folder. So you need to go inside this folder. And here you need to look for a folder called app data. So if you do not see the app data folder, then you need to click on view, then click on show, and you need to check this hidden item. So once you check this hidden item, you will see this app data folder. So we need to go inside this app data. So in the app data folder, you need to go inside the local folder. So in the local folder, you will see this folder Brave software. So you need to delete this folder and Brave browser will be completely uninstalled from your system. And I hope to see you in the future tutorials.